Okay, so friends, welcome back. This is day one, and we are all set to go to Ladakh. So the plan is we are not riding to Ladakh. No, I'm not riding to Ladakh. Instead, I'll be flying till Srinagar, and from Srinagar, probably we'll rent a bike, and then we'll proceed to Ladakh. Okay, I'm not going alone. Instead, I'm going with my cousins. So he's Zen.
No.
And Altamash. Okay, so here's my luggage, and in this bag, I'm carrying my gears, my jacket, my helmet, my gloves, and my knee guards. And here's a rucksack in which I'm carrying my clothes, and yes, I'm carrying my Drinox tank bag in which I've kept my other warmers and my GoPro and all camera accessories and everything. So I'll be taking these 3 bags along with me. Okay, so the time is right now it's 10:45 in the evening, and we shall leave by 12:30 for Mumbai airport, and from Mumbai airport we'll be having a flight at 6:30 in the morning till Srinagar. Yes, I'll catch up with you guys in a moment while I'll be reaching Mumbai airport and keep you updated. Bye. So reach Mumbai airport, and the time is 4:34 in the morning. We didn't sleep tonight. We are very excited actually. Okay, so as I said, I am not alone. So let me introduce you to all the people who are coming with me to Leh. Altamash, ऐसा मारो लाइक उल्टा उल्टा उल्टा. Altamash, then Zen. He's my uncle, Aslam Kadri, and my auntie.
Hi.
Alright, so yes boys, we have reached Srinagar, and we are at a local restaurant here with the name is Mughal Darbar, and we came here to have our lunch. ये क्या है?
ये बताओ, ये कबाब है, ये तबक मौज है, ये बहुत अच्छा चिकन है, ये मिर्ची करमा है, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, ये गुश्ताब है, ये.
So this plus one more is equal to Azwa. So this is the Kashmiri dish, authentic food of Kashmir. Alright, so we reached Sonmarg, and now we are heading towards a glacier which is near to Sonmarg, and yes, we are heading here. I am on a horse, and this horse will take me to that glacier, and the total distance is, as he said, it's half an hour it requires to reach there, and half an hour it requires to come back, and maybe we'll spend an hour or half an hour over there. Look at those mountain ranges, guys. They are so beautiful. This is the place where Bajrangi Bhaijan the ending part has been shot. That part was shown as Pakistan and this part was shown as India, and there was a riverfront in between. So this was the scene location. Well, we are going to that glacier now. Okay, so we are done with the glacier part, and now we are next to this beautiful river, and this is basically natural water which is coming down from the glaciers when they melt, and it gets accumulated in this river, and this river flows right till Srinagar. So we are at Sonmarg, and we are staying right here in these tents. Go through it.
It has a 360 view.
Wow. So there are the tents, the last two tents where we are going to stay, and the view from this machan is this. You can probably make out the scale of the mountains here. You can even see a few glaciers on those mountains. We are at 8,700 feet above the sea level, at the altitude of 8,700 feet above the sea level, which is Sonmarg. Tomorrow when we go to Kargil, it will be around 12,000 feet above sea level, and day after tomorrow we'll be doing Khardungla, which will be 18,000 feet above sea level, and that is the highest motorable road in the world. So these are two tents where we are going to stay tonight, and the view is beautiful over here. And let me show you the tent. So that's the campaign tent. You can see lovely decorative swans made out of towels. Lovely bathroom and toilet. Here's the toilet. Reflection of water. And the shower area. This is just wow. And right when you go out from here, you have a view of beautiful river. Okay, so good morning everyone. This is day 2 in Sonmarg and the time is 5:20 in the morning. It's very cold here in Sonmarg. It must be around 2 to 3 degrees and I got up early in the morning just to see the sunrise. I can see the sun rising from there. Let me show you if you can see. See, it's rising somewhere over here. By the way, this place is called Sonmarg. It's named Sonmarg. The meaning of Sonmarg is Son is gold and Marg is mountain. So they called it as a mountain of gold just because whenever there's a sunrise or sunset on these mountains, the glacier looks golden in color. So yeah, they called it Sonmarg. Pretty interesting. Okay, so already I took a wonderful bath with warm water and lovely. So already I'm all set to go. Now we are heading towards Leh, as I said, through Daraz and Kargil. I'll be doing my breakfast and then I'll head out for Daraz. So at present we are in Dras and this is the second coldest inhabitat in the world. So it's a small village called Dras. This is before Kargil. Okay, so we are at Kargil War Memorial here.